Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account where the contacts lived. This makes sure you're looking at the right data. Once signed in, open Google Contacts on desktop because the trash and undo features are easiest to use there. Then go straight to trash. Google keeps deleted contacts for 30 days, so you can often recover them immediately. If you see the contact in trash, select it and use the restore option. This returns the contact to your main list. Once in contacts, decide whether to use trash or undo changes. Use trash when individual contacts were deleted, select each item and restore. When multiple contacts are missing, pick undo changes from the left menu. This rolls your entire contacts list back to a previous snapshot. Choose the time frame that predates the deletion. Google applies the snapshot to all contacts, so make sure that date contains the data you need. After undoing, review your list to confirm names, emails, and merged duplicates look correct. After restoration, verify entries on desktop first, then force a sync on your phone by opening contacts or account sync settings so changes propagate. If some numbers or labels are missing, use the merge and fix tools to tidy duplicates and fields. If you don't find contacts in trash or undo, for example, deletions older than 30 days, check other Google accounts, device exports, or backups. Sometimes contacts were saved under a different account. If synchronization fails, sign out and sign back in to force a refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.